All right, the most anticipated IPO of the year. Could it be the biggest ever too? Jack Ma's Ant Group has won regulatory approval for a dual listing in Shanghai and Hong Kong. It's expected to raise as much as $35 billion, giving the financial giant a valuation of around $250 billion. Cherise Pham joins us now. Cherise, did you see what I did there? The most anticipated. Yeah, I have to repeat it. The great thing about this is, as well, is that we get a sense of the numbers here. Talk us through what we now know about this huge IPO.
That's right. That's right. And it might be named after a tiny bug, but this is really a huge company. And we learned a couple little interesting things in the updated regulatory filings today. One is that they will be splitting this IPO evenly between Hong Kong and Shanghai. Each of those exchanges will be getting about 1.67 billion shares to sell, and that amounts to about 11% of Ant's total shares post-IPO. Now, we know that an Alibaba wholly owned subsidiary will be buying 730 million of the shares on offer in the domestic market, so about nearly half of the shares that will be offered in Shanghai. And Alibaba will also have the right to subscribe to additional shares so it can hold equity equaling no more than 33% of the company. I wanted to make sure I got that right. So they've got the right to pretty much own about a third of Ant, is what we are looking at from that perspective. Now, but let's just take a look at some of the key dates that are coming up ahead for this, as you say, really highly anticipated IPO. We've got October 22nd and 23rd. That's today and tomorrow. Those dates are bookmarked for initial pricing. And then the offering announcement coming hard and fast next week on Tuesday, October 27th. Share subscription happening next Thursday, October 29th. Payment for subscribed shares following on Monday, November 2nd. And then that key date we all want to know, when will the IPO happen? Basically, Ant saying TBD. Ant saying that the company will be listed on the STAR market as soon as it finishes issuing shares. Presumably, it will list the same day here in Hong Kong as well.
Wow. Can't wait for that. It's going to be fascinating to watch, and a hot ticket for the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, and of course the one-year-old STAR market in Shanghai as well. Cherise Pham, thank you so much for joining us on that. All right.